Hey friend, just another curl here. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so today we're jumping right into a DIY protein hair mask. So my hair was lacking protein and I could tell it was being taken over by moisture. Quick fix, where's the protein? So grab you some honey, some mayonnaise, a couple of eggs, and some olive oil. Within your hair care journey, you should be focused on protein within your hair as well as moisture. When one is thrown off balance, you'll notice the difference. Alright, so as we're mixing this, I'm going to go ahead and get into why I clarified my hair instead of used a moisturizing shampoo. Basically, whenever you're putting a treatment or a hair mask on top of your hair, you need for the hair buildup, like all the products that are in your hair, you need for them to move out of the way so that the ingredients you're actually adding to the hair can penetrate the shaft so it can do what it needs to do. The mask should be left on for 30 minutes. Do not apply heat to this mask. Do not rinse with hot water. You're gonna rinse with cool water, okay? I'm telling you, no one likes cooked egg in their hair. Thanks for watching, friend. See you soon.